Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the BeReal app on your Android phone. So the process is pretty straightforward and simple. So just open up the Google Play Store, then at the top search bar you just search for BeReal, so that's B-E, I spelled it wrong, B-E and then real, and then you can see it auto suggest, but you can tap on that. And now it says install. So all you need to do is tap on install. That will say pending for a moment, and then when the pending is finished, it will download. You can see it is 23.72 megabytes. You always want to make sure that you're on a Wi-Fi connection when you do this, as to not use up all your data. So now we just have to wait for that, and when it is complete, it is going to install it automatically, so you don't have to do anything on your part to install it, just like you would install any other app. So it is almost finished. You can see there it says installing, and then once that's finished, it will say open there in green on the right, and you can now press open, and now you can see I'm in the BeReal app. I just have to go continue and use the app. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.